Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen and this is Chosen and Precious Farm. Today is Friday and I am a little too excited to keep waiting to post this video. We started the floors. We haven't finished the floors completely, but we've done the kitchen, the living room, and a part of the hallway. So we still have to do the master bathroom and the bathroom, the guest bathroom, which is down the hallway. But it's just turning out so great and I'm so excited about it. I know I keep saying excited in all these videos, but I really am very excited about this, very happy that we are able to do this. And well, I just wanted to show you bits and pieces of us doing this floor and show you what it looks like done. Now, this took a lot longer than we were expecting. This was not mentally difficult because it was relatively easy to do. However, it was time consuming. And when I tell you my knees are still hurting and my back is still hurting, yeah, wears you out to do it by yourself. But we did end up saving a lot of money to do it ourselves, and really it wasn't that complicated. It was just time consuming. So I did record a little part of us doing it, and then it just took so long that I didn't record the rest of us doing it. But here's what I got, and let me show you, and hope you like this video. Okay, we're at Home Depot and we found this flooring. It is waterproof, rigid core vinyl plank, waterproof flooring that can be used throughout the home. It's very nice. And the best part, I don't think you can beat that, to be honest. We needed exactly 25 boxes, and if you count, there's 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I can't believe it. We're taking that as a sign, and we're just gonna get it. We're gonna get it. So, I'm gonna show you the floor as it is right now. So there are some areas, like right here, it's firm. It's not feeling like it's sinking in or anything. It holds my weight really well, but it's not quite level. If you can tell, there's kind of a dip. There's little areas like that we are going to try to make level before we put the floor on. So we have like a cement, like a rapid set leveler, self-leveler that we're gonna put. Same here. There's a spot right here, and it is firm, but it's sunken in right here a little bit. But everything is emptied out. The only thing we've got in here is the flooring. And before we put the floor on, we're gonna level those. So, okay, this is a good example here. I don't know if you can see, but where the seam is, it's higher, kind of like in a little mountain compared to the rest. And so he's mixing up the self-leveler here that we're going to be using. Also, there was a hole here where it was loose and someone stepped on it and foot went straight through. So we did take out the hole and took out all of the loose parts and then put 2x4s under and replaced it. So we'll need to fill in the gaps as well. So we're also going to fill those in. Bueno, señor, ¿me puede explicar aquí qué es lo que hace?
Estamos parchando el hueco y aplanando. Aplanar el hueco.
¿Y por qué?
Para que no se vaya a desnivelar el piso que vamos a poner. No se vaya a desarmar.
Okay. Okay, so we've done this section over here. We've got the fan on it. We had to move the refrigerator because underneath the refrigerator it wasn't level either. So here we go, we've got it level there. Here it was level, it just had like a gap in between, so we just closed the gap there. Here it was definitely not level. Hold on, let me jump. And there you can tell that the center, where I had mentioned earlier, was a lot taller than the sides. So over here, it was also sunken in. It was a lot further than we expected, so we had to go a little further. And then we're gonna do that one. ¿Cuánto te queda?
Este y el otro.
¿Crees que va a ser suficiente?
Sí. Necesitamos limpiar esas cositas.
Can you tell he's done this before?
¿Qué te costó el cromo?
¿Eso es de no revolverlo bien?
Ajá. Mira eso.
One scrape and you can already tell there was like a section in there that was...
JR killed this beat.
So we've done from the hallway, all of the living room, and now that's as much as we could have done yesterday because it was time consuming. So now we're starting in the kitchen. And here's where we're at right now. Ready to go. Ready to go. Here's the floor. Looks so good. So good. So where I started the video was at my door in my bedroom. We made it up to here. So all we have left is this little corner and the bathroom, and then our bathroom. But look at how gorgeous this is. It just looks so amazing. It's very nice, very pretty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I do have other videos of other projects that we've done here, and there's a few more projects that are coming up that we are excited to do as well. All of them are DIY projects that we're doing here, so please like and subscribe and follow along our journey. God bless you. Bye.